This is comiconthecan, who's off the can in his recliner. We're about to get into my recliner, and I go into recline. Bear with me, I'm reclining now, see? Oh yeah. I'm reclining. Okay, I gotta shut off the massage and the heat. I don't want that. It's off. Okay. Again, I'm reclining in my recliner. Here's the thing. Two guys are on the street, an older man and a younger guy, and they don't know each other. And they started getting a little chit-chat, friendly conversation. And the older guy says to the younger guy, well, what kind of work you do? What do you do? And the younger guy says, I'm a foreman. He says, so the older guy said, well, you must be really well educated for you to be a foreman. So the guy says, well, he said, I had a friend of mine who comes from India, and he was helping me learn things, you know. He's teaching me things. So after I learned a lot, he taught me a lot, I got a job as a foreman, as a foreman. So the guy says, okay. He says, well, what kind of subjects did this guy teach you? He says, well, teach me a whole bunch of stuff, but the best I was in arithmetic and English. He said, oh, okay. He said, tell you what, let me give you a simple question in arithmetic and see how you do. So the guy says, how much is 4 and 4? And the younger guy says, oh man, that's really simple. He said, that'd be 44. 44. So the older guy said, well, yeah, I guess if the Indian guy said that's what it'd be. He said, well, let's make it a little tougher now. He says, what if you have 4, 4, and 4? How much is that? The guy said, that's a simple one too. That would be 444. The guy said, man, he says, you nailed it. You're really a bright guy. He said, I told you so. I studied hard with this guy. So he said, well, when you count on your fingers, is it easier for you to do that than counting on your toes? The guy said, you know, the young guy said, I'm glad you mentioned that. He says, because I'm getting really confused. I'm going to go back and talk to my Indian friend about this. He said, what do you mean? Well, he said, look at, when I got one finger down, and then I put another finger down, that'd be 2. So 1 and 1 be 2. Now when I do it with my toes, I put the big toe down as 1, then I put the toe next to it down, and when I get it as 5. The big toe is 1, and then I press this one next to it down, and all of a sudden I'm counting, I got 5 down. He says, I don't understand, I know which is right, my fingers are my toes. The guy says, you better check with your Indian friend on that one. So the guy said, well, let's get off the side, let's go to English now. What did he teach in English? Well, he taught me grammar. Well, what did he teach you in grammar? So the young guy says, oh, I know a lot about that. He be, she be, we be, he be, you be, he be, she be, he do, they do, we do, she do, do. So the guy said, the older guy said, well, let's combine the two. Let's say you got 2 he-bees and 2 she-bees. How much you got? The young guy said, well, I guess you got 4 bees. The guy said, wait a second. There's 2 he-bees and 2 she-bees. And the younger guy said, yeah, man, but they still be bees. You got 4 bees. The guy said, man, he said, you're a pretty bright guy, I gotta admit that. This guy taught you well. He said, well, what else did he teach you? Well, he taught me facts, you know, things to think about and figure out on my own. He said, well, what did he teach you to figure out on your own? He said, well, he says, like Tarzan. Okay, now you ever notice that Tarzan swings from these vines that hang from trees, and he swings from tree to tree. Now I'm thinking to myself, why do we do that? Then it dawned on me, it's simple. I said, because there weren't no pooper scoopers in the jungle. The guy said, yeah, that's probably right about that. What else did you learn? Well, you know the word kimosabi that the Tonto used to say to the Lone Ranger? He'd call him kimosabi. And I looked around, I couldn't find out what that word means. I started thinking about it, and I think I came to the answer. What do that mean? The guy says, oh, what do that mean? He said, well, after a long day in the saddle in the hot sun, Tonto is telling the masked man, when he says kimosabi, it means, hey, masked man, your deodorant ain't making it. And now the Lone Ranger, obviously, you got to get back at Tonto, you can't let him have the last word. He says, yeah, well, he says, your mouthwash ain't making it either. Oh, let's see. Another thing, if you go by a restaurant and you see a sign in the restaurant window that says, no rodents here, guaranteed rodent free, and you say, well, I'm going to go in there because I don't want these little critters running, scurrying around by my feet. So you go in there, you pick up the menu, and then while you're perusing the menu, you see a waiter coming by with a plate of a cheeseburger on the plate. And then you happen to notice that the burger is nibbling on the cheese. Well, what I learned is you better head for the vegan section, the vegetarian section of that menu, and if they ain't got one, then get out of there as quick as possible. But don't eat any meat there. Okay, another one is, let's say you're walking in the desert, and not in the desert, in the woods, it can't be a desert, in the woods or in the jungle, and you see a sign that says, do not go any further because there be bears around here. Now you better hightail it out of there and not go any further, because if you go further, the next time a bear go to take a dump, that dump could be you. Okay, getting down now. Now see, the nice thing about these recliner chairs, they propel you up. Now watch this, I couldn't get out of this chair if it wasn't that they propel me up. Watch it, it's going to eject me, you know what I mean? Watch this, look at this, I'm going up, 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 up. Now watch this, it's going to eject me. Almost throw me out of here. Up a little further, get the comic out of the chair. Okay, I think I'm up enough. Yep. You see what I said, how it gets you up? Just kind of propels you right out of there. Otherwise the comic be stuck on there. And we wouldn't want that, would we?